Hey everyone, it's Darla. Thank you for joining me again today. I have a few things here. Let's start off with a tap from my little kitty Huggles. Okay, so I have a couple of shout outs. One is for a channel called Craft Lovers. Link will be in the description box. I don't know if this is a guy or a girl, because I see hands and I hear music. But they are a crafter. They have DIYs. They make flowers, greeting cards, envelope albums, things like that. Paper crafts. And they draw and yeah, things like that. So it's kind of a cool channel. I've been watching their videos and very cool. All right, so again, that's Craft Lovers. And then I have a shout out for Brenda Martins. She has 64 subbies. What's up with that? So she made a hat for Hat Not Hate, and it's beautiful. She's a crocheter. Right now she has a giveaway going on. There's a yarn. So anyway, if you'd like to go over and check out her channel and subscribe to me, to her, that would make me happy. That's what I was trying to say. It's up to you, you know, but I'm just asking you, go check her out. Subscribe if you want to. Let's see, what else? Let's talk about this Corona for a second. We've had our first death here from Corona in Manitoba, Canada. We have 1.36 million people in our province. There are 39 cases, and one person just died, and apparently that was the only person who was hospitalized due to this virus. So on Monday, they're going to limit gatherings to no more than 10 people. So yeah. Anyway, let's go on to something more fun. Doing the shout outs is fun. The shout outs are fun. Okay, that was the last one I did was Brenda Martins. Where is she here? Brenda Martins, yes. Okay, and the other was Craft Lovers. So, I made something last night. The lovely Neva from Manic Mama sent me some yarn, and I showed that to you. It's blue cotton. So I wanted to make something for my kitchen. I didn't want it to be just like a regular dishcloth or a regular dish towel. I wanted to make something a little different. So far, I have made this cute dishcloth that there's a tutorial which I will link below from the Crochet Crowd. And this is it. Ta-da! So this is the yarn Neva gave me, the blue, and then I had the white. So I made this last night, and I started another one. So I think I'm probably gonna make, well, 2 or 3 maybe. We'll see how much yarn I have left after that. This is the back, and it's really easy. It really is. This is more of an optical illusion than anything. So yeah. So yes, my dishcloths. Thank you, Neva, for the yarn. Okay, so of course her link will be below as well. And I got happy mail. Yes, I did. I got happy mail from Crafting Trooper, Linnea. I love her name, Linnea. I love that name. And I love the name Neva. Just cute names, like not cute, but pretty names. All right, let's do this. Let's open this. I already sprayed it with Lysol. I'm serious, I did. because I don't know what my mailman has. So yeah, let's just open this up. Such a big package. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Shouldn't even put a card in. Anyway, that's okay. Oh, look. Oh, wow. Oh, I love it. 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 Look at the colors in the body. Oh, I love it. It's a pendant. I can put it on a necklace, on a chain. Ah. Oh, thank you, Linnea. I love it. The Crafty Yarn Owl can always use another owl. Thank you so much. I love the colors in there. Aww. Thank you. Or I could just display it on my stitch marker display that I showed you guys yesterday, that I made myself. Anywho, all right, that's it. Whew, I gotta make supper soon. Anyway, all right, I love you all. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you probably Monday, maybe on the weekend. Who knows? All right, take care of yourself. Stay safe. Don't catch that corona thing. And just God bless you all, and I'm praying for you all as always. All right, thank you. Bye-bye for now.